Wow.
Legal Assetto Corsa activities filmed in AI and only AI. If you're gonna be a hooligan, leave it to the track. Don't go on street.
That was something. Yeah, so we're trying to go drifting, but this fucknut decides to snap axle bolts and take 4 years to fix it here. Yeah, don't worry, we didn't want to drift or anything like that. Yep, good stuff. Thank you, Owen. Holy fuck. Cheers. Everybody's gonna like that. Next clip when we're drifting, right?
Well, bigger delay because I still need to change tires.
Yeah, everybody changing tires here.
Big L.
No more pimp mobiles with these wheels.
It looks sick.
Oh. All right, we're back.
So what's going on?
This guy's putting his wheels on. Dr. Pepper, please sponsor me. This guy didn't get any because he doesn't deserve it. He's holding up the crew here. Bad boy. 10:14 and we're just fucking leaving now.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Where are we going?
We driving.
Where are we going?
Closer. We're gonna go out drifting now. I need gas. Shit. Here's how the drift missile looking, by the way. Post crash. It's a little fucked up. Tape bumper. Headlight exposed. All right, get in the motherfucking car. Film my first POV video, and I can't even listen to music while I drift. What the fuck? This is gonna get copyrighted. Oh shit! Look at the motherfucking drift car at a gas station. All right, first spot. Oh, there's a truck here, which I do not like to see. I have to give him a second, I guess. Spinning around. He looks like he wants to ruin our night, which I am not okay with.
Do you want us to move, or are you guys going to drift the corner?
Oh, we're going to, but
Okay, we can move up there.
we didn't know what you guys are. We're going around there.
You're going around that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you guys.
Come back a bit if you want.
Cheers.
Yeah.
That's sick. I thought those people were going to be bugging us, but that's sick. That they just wanted to move out of the way for us. Are you going to drift the corner? Hell yeah, I am. If that shit wasn't recorded, I'm going to be pissed. Oh, we got our first spin of the night. First spin of the night. There's another E36 right now. I'm being bullied. I'm the only fucking IS. This is bullshit. And yeah, that's all I have to say. This motherfucker decided not to gas at the other gas station. Guess wasn't good enough for him. Look at this guy. Are we fucking joking right now?
Are we for real right now?
Look how far away this guy is from the freaking pump. Look at this. Everybody out sliding right now. Holy wow. That's fucking crazy. What the fuck? That's fucking insane. Random fucking donut tandems. What's up? Do we have to leave? What's up?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, you?
Pretty good. What's your name?
Dalton, you?
Derek.
Nice to meet you. That security was trying to take a video of my license plate.
I figured that's why we're leaving.
Yeah, me too. All right. Uh-oh, security coming again. No, no. See you later. Huh? Hey. What?
Run if you want to do, man, but you guys are not listening to anyone right now.
Nobody said
Right
anything,
now,
bro.
you are at the private property,
Okay.
and you guys are trespassing.
Okay, but you
if
didn't
you
even...
want, I can call the cops.
Well, you didn't even say anything. You just rolled up, sticking your
but
phone
if
out the
you
window.
know, you are just running away. So please, leave.
Okay, sure.
Please leave.
That guy was not very happy about that, but I don't know. We're rolled up on. What's up with it? Huh?
I like the GoPro touch.
Cheers. It looks funny, eh? Yeah, it does. We can run it back though. This guy's stimming over here. Well, this concludes drift night.
Successful? You tell me.
This guy hates his car.
I hate my life.
This
love
guy
my car.
loves his car. He was doing burnout. First ever burnout. And me,
Shredding is normal.
I what the fuck? I fucking hate this piece of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's it.
Ciao.
Ciao.